अच्छा ठीक है
5-point match, BladeX versus DarkBlade. Go shoot, go BladeX. Let's go guys, and this one is also my homemade base stadium guys, and the video link is in the description box, you can check it out there. Okay, let's go. BladeX versus DarkBlade, and it will be a 5-point match guys, and actually DarkBlade weighs more than 50 grams and BladeX weighs more than 40 grams. So yeah, there's a huge weight difference, but let's see who wants this one, because DarkBlade is actually attack type Bey and BladeX is actually a stamina type. So yeah, BladeX also has some advantage, like stamina, and you can clearly see here, BladeX just took this first point. Go shoot, go shoot. Oh! Shoot, go, let's go, let's go. Oh, another one. BladeX has lost his full stamina because of one hit from DarkBlade. This point is easily going to get to DarkBlade. And again, took another point. Go shoot, go DarkBlade. Oh! Oh, won this one, 3 points total. Go shoot, go DarkBlade. Let's go again. And yeah guys, actually this stadium is very huge for sure. So yeah, we are definitely going to see some huge attack powers in this Beyblades. So yeah, the Beys have more space to fight in the stadium. Let's go. And here we go. Shoot, go, DarkBlade. Let's go, let's go. Actually guys, DarkBlade is an attack type A, but it's not able to accelerate properly in the space stadium, but still it's hanging on in the stadium because of too much weight more than BladeX. It is almost more than 50 grams guys, 55 grams, and BladeX is actually 40 grams. So yeah, almost 15 grams weight difference, and that's why guys, every time BladeX is losing its stamina because of the huge attacks from DarkBlade. And I think this is going to be a okay, 4 points. Shoot, go BladeX. Let's go, let's go. This time guys, I tried to launch in an angle position so that the attack type DarkBlade can accelerate, and you can already see some huge attacks. Let's see who won this one. Let's see, because BladeX only has 2 points and DarkBlade 4 points. So last point, let's see. Oh, won this one guys, and